Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video for you guys here today. We are here up in Georgetown, Washington, D.C. We are on a very bustling, busy street. We've got cars parked on both sides of us, and pedestrians are heavy in this area, and we are rocking FSD 11.4.7 here. And we got a ride through Prospect Street coming up. If anyone's familiar, it's some of the most narrow roads I've ever driven on. So here we go, buckle up. I got FSD in control here, and you know, I'm hoping no takeovers, but then again, this is like a narrow street, and if I get uncomfortable in any situation, I probably will take over. But yeah, so far so good. Take a look at the way that it's accelerating towards the stop sign and braking perfectly, really saving you that leg energy just for no reason, going back and forth. I mean, this kind of, you know, some reasons why autopilot and FSD is really useful in short traffic situations, definitely. In heavy traffic situations too, for sure, especially when driving is a tedious task. All right, take a look. We slowed down since it got really narrow, and it found the path around really well. All right, we got to shift this lane coming up here. We got a yellow light. Let's see if we cross. We crossed. Notice how we got a car in front. It recognizes that that's a parked car by graying it out. You see that? And how these ones are white. So really good job with that. Nice job continuing. All right, so far so good. Take a look at it. Already noticing the bus coming up, getting out of the way as much as possible for the bus. I like how it scoots out of the way a little bit. Really good job with that. It is hitting the wiper a little extra. I mean, it was raining a little while ago, as you can see some raindrops at the bottom, but it's currently not. So, oh, I think because I have it on 1, I can just turn it off or on auto. All right, so really good job with that stop sign. Notice how as we're proceeding down this road, it's getting more narrow and narrow. And here we go. We got someone right here opening his door. You could see it perfectly on the visualization. FSD kind of creeping here. It stopped sort of in the middle, not in the best area, but did give enough space for the car to get by on the left. So here we go, no lines. Notice how you could see this guy getting into his car. It showed the visualization with his door opening, so it also accounts and will swerve around. Great job coming to a full stop and proceeding like almost instantly, so no wasted time there, but also not breaking the law, which is something really good. Kind of approaching evening time here. It's 7 o'clock on the dot here in DC, and yeah, we're getting close. Check it out. This is Prospect Avenue coming up here next left. So we're gonna move forward. We're accounting for the pedestrians. Notice how they highlight in blue, waiting for them to fully pass. Really narrow street here with cars on both sides. It's hard for both, you know, cars to go both ways here, but it does it. All right, so another stop sign, full stop, and then instant acceleration, but we're gonna wait for the pedestrian. Doing a really good job about that. And here we go with another super narrow road again. And I think we got to make a left now coming up here. This is going to be Prospect, and this is by far the most narrow street that you can turn on. Here we go. Here goes nothing. We're going to try this out. Oh my god. All right, so this is the part where it's like insanely narrow, and FSD is in control, and we're doing our thing. We actually got to make a right here coming up. So we're approaching the stop sign. Really good job. Ooh, okay. FSD trying to figure out its steering wheel. direction. So there we go. Nice job. Let's see if it can go all the way and really position ourselves ready for the turn. I don't think it's no turn on right here, so we're gonna make a stop for that traffic light. And yeah, well done, FSD. Really good job getting me through that part. And yeah, I have to say I was really impressed with the way it handled all those narrow roads. And we're gonna finish up this video here getting onto the Key Bridge, and then that should wrap it up. We're gonna get back into Virginia, and yeah, I'm actually headed towards Arlington. Hopefully FSD should be able to handle the rest of my drive for me, but I'm not gonna bore you with the boring part, so I'm gonna try to make it here to look at the way this camera is flickering. It's looking kind of like there's something wrong. Interesting. It's cool how you can move it around. I do like to adjust it sometimes, because sometimes it's in the way of FSD, sometimes it's in the way of the music. Here it's sometimes in the way of the directions. So yeah, here we go. We got a green arrow, so we're gonna continue. FSD finding its path. All right, nice job making that right. And here we go with the immediate left on the Key Bridge. And nice, really good job there. All right, fantastic. Right into Virginia. Little slick roads too, a little bit of rain. It did a pretty dandy job. Yeah, make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla DMV content here in the DC metropolitan area, Northern Virginia, parts of Maryland. I'll try to bring you as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your evening.